Guys, another tutorial, another song. So, natagalan tayo mag-upload. 3 araw ata. Wag kang bibitaw by Sian Junior. Di ako nagkakamali. So, 4 chords lang ito guys. 4 chords lang ituturo ko. 4 chords buong kanta. At syempre, may strumming pattern. Start tayo kaagad. So, etong mga chords natin. First chord ay D major 7. Wag kang bibitaw. So, tatlo. Eto. Bass itong 4th string. D major 7, second chord ay isang, so medyo mahirap sa nag-uumpisa, no? C sharp 7. So, kung di kaya, magbuong C sharp. Okay, kung di kaya, magbuong C sharp na lang. Pero kung kaya na, mag C sharp 7. And then, ang third chord ay F sharp minor. Okay, and then last chord ay A sus 2. So, A siya, remove lang itong pinakababaw, A sus 2, okay? Ulit, D major 7, C sharp 7 or C sharp kung di kaya, kung kaya na C sharp 7, sharp minor, and then A7, A sus 2, and then string pattern, itong string pattern, so down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So gaya ng dating ginagamit natin, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, timing ng timing. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Huwag kang bibitaw, huwag kang bibitaw, down, down. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So, okay na ba lang mag-timing, ha? Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. So, yan lang. 4 chords buong kanta. Share nyo lang sa mga naghanap ng chords ng katang ito, no? Kaya na bala mag-share. 4 chords lang buong kanta. Kaya na bala mag-timing. Strumming down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Kung hindi ito ma-tutorial guys, pa-share lang sa video. See you sa mga next na upload guys. Bye.